Hey everyone, and welcome into the garage. And today we're going to do a little bit of a product review. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Central Pneumatic airbrush cleaning bottle that you can purchase at Harbor Freight. If you don't know how these work, it's really simple. You put the airbrush in the little hole, you pour your cleaner in the cup, hit the trigger, and the cup, the bottle, it captures all the overspray and fumes when you clean your airbrush. So really simple tool to have for your airbrush. So this one costs $8 from Harbor Freight. You can get ones that are more expensive, but they also have some convenience features like an airbrush stand that holds the airbrush while it's in the hole. Kind of like it's also doubles as a airbrush holder as well. This one does not have that, so you just have to decide how much money you really want to spend. I just felt like give it a shot. I'll spend the $8 and see if I even like it. Go from there. So let's open the box and check it out. Again, it's from Harbor Freight, so we can't expect something truly great. Alright, so there it is. It looks like it's literally just a glass jar with a hole on top. It also has some filters. Looks like there's a spare filter and looks like some plugs to plug up the openings, and looks like a little O-ring. So we have, looks like a plug there, plug for there, a spare filter, and looks like we have an O-ring. Not sure what that's for yet, but we'll figure that out. No instructions are included. So they're real simple. So what you do, now one of the things you do, you can fill this with water, about maybe an inch of water, and that'll also help absorb some of the fumes and overspray as well, and it'll cut down on clogging up your filters quickly. Have my airbrush here, so it just kind of sticks in the hole there. Pull the trigger, and you spray down into it. This is basically that, how it is. All right, let's take it out to the garage and give it a test and see how it works. Here we are at the paint booth. Everything is set up and ready to go for this demonstration. I have cleaner in the cup, aka in cheap hardware store lacquer thinner. It's what I use to clean my airbrushes. Let's give it a go and see how it works. You can see the bowl fills up with the fumes spray, and you can see some fumes coming out from the filter opening. I don't smell a whole lot yet. It's keeping the odor somewhat down. I don't think it completely eliminates it. Okay, now let's see how it does with when it's actually cleaning some paint out of the airbrush. Let's do that next. I ran some blue paint through there. All I can really smell again is a little bit of thinner. I'll finish cleaning it, but there you can see the blue paint. There we go, everything is trapped down there. So I think it works pretty good. Let me know down in the comments below what you guys think. Do you use one? Do you use one of the more expensive ones? Thoughts, opinions, all that, let me know. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe while you're here. On that note, thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you next time.